Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight. This is our look at the market leaders for February 8th, 2013. Session we had a pretty good drop out of the open and had a pretty aggressive downside move, and we definitely profited from that. We had a nice short in Caterpillar under 97 and a quarter, and also a really nice short in Amazon under 260 and a half, and both really worked well. These are things that we kind of sniffed out in a previous session when we looked over the seeker and the Comer signals. So we really had a nice day from those. The market though did kind of reverse itself and kind of arrest the slide to close. Not so bad, but definitely more to the downside. The scans from the Nasdaq leaders are still fairly paired off. I don't think we're not seeing that predominance of sell signals that'll indicate that that are going to indicate that we're going to follow through to the downside necessarily tomorrow, though it certainly could. In the financials, this is one little bit of a cause for concern because we have had very good leadership from the Nasdaq, from the financial stocks, and right now starting to see some sell signals, starting to see a little grinding up here at these higher levels. Most of the stocks were weaker than the overall market today on a closing basis, so definitely keep an eye on the financials here for a rollover. Moving on to the energy stocks. The energy stocks were pretty weak today across the board. A few of them were weak on volume too. So we have CPS signals, which is a very strong signal on a whole lot of these names. So keep an eye on these tomorrow. As far as the generals go, again, kind of paired off, not really real bias either way. Best Buy, keep an eye on Best Buy. 2% below the open today, closing the day with a CPS sell signal and also on good volume, more than 2.5 times typical volume in Best Buy. Housing and the transports, still kind of benign, not really showing us too much right there. And the commodity names, fairly paired off. Note the continued volume and the interest in the coal names. Here's ACH trading more than 200% of its typical volume, so definitely keep those on the radar because they are loaded with energy, even though they're just kind of muddling around right now. Anyway, good luck tomorrow. We'll check in again at the next opportunity and give you some more previews. And as always, thanks for listening. And this has been Rich Derrick from tradesight.